Section 2. Security Test Using Adversarial Attacks. Introduction to Machine Learning Tasks. In this video, you will find out which tasks are solved with help of machine learning, as it's necessary to explore the field before dealing with its security. In terms of security, machine learning is a specific area of artificial intelligence. Machine learning is divided into different categories of tasks. Supervised machine learning, where the model is getting trained on labeled dataset, and unsupervised machine learning, where the model is attempting to automatically find structure in the data by extracting useful features and analyzing its structure. The unsupervised learning module can organize the data in different ways according to the problem at hand. This slide shows 6 main categories of tasks: classification, regression, generative models, clustering, dimensionality reduction, and reinforcement learning. Each of them uses certain algorithms which may have specific vulnerabilities. Classification is straightforward. Imagine a road sign detection system. Its goal to classify road signs. The supervised learning approach is usually used for classification, where examples of certain groups are known. All classes should be defined in the beginning. Regression or prediction is also simple. The knowledge about the existing data is utilized to have an idea of the new data. For example, stock prices prediction. It's a crucial area where hackers can search for vulnerabilities. Clustering is similar to classification, with the only but major difference: the information about the classes of the data is unknown. Solutions like malware detection may implement clustering to separate legal files from outliers. Dimensionality reduction or generalization is necessary if you deal with complex systems with unlabeled data and many potential features, such as face recognition. Dimensionality reduction can help to cut unnecessary features. Generative models are designed to simulate the actual data based on the previous data. You've probably seen a lot of articles and research papers where AI generated voice or images which looks like natural. Finally, the reinforcement learning that can help us to create fully autonomous robots. Reinforcement learning can be divided into reinforcement learning itself and active learning. Reinforcement learning is an environment-driven approach. This implies the behavior that should somehow react on the changing environment. It's like a kid who is learning environment by trial and error. Active learning is more like a subclass of reinforcement learning. It resembles a teacher who can help correct errors and behavior in addition to environment changes. Keep in mind once again that understanding the main categories of machine learning is vital for you to become aware of vulnerabilities existing in every method. So the detailed examination of all those methods is for your homework.